What's going on, guys? Ray with Xtreme Outdoors. Alright, so check it out. We went out for Yellowtail, Father's Day, afternoon trip, and it was outstanding. We went to our Old Faithful Yellowtail spot. It's about 60 feet. We had squid, we had ballyhoo, but the holy grail of baits on the boats, live shrimp. That's exactly what it was. It was live shrimp. We had 4 dozen, and we completely destroyed the yellowtail. I mean, it was one after another after another. I mean, you would put that live shrimp in the water, and right when it got to the sweet spot, bam, tight line. We also caught Spanish mackerel. That was outstanding. On 15-pound test, that was the leader, 15-pound test leader, yellowtail rod, little green jig head. And if you guys know Spanish mackerels, they have really sharp teeth and pretty much need wire all the time. And it was an awesome fight. Hooked him right in the corner of the mouth. I mean, screaming drag. You guys will see it. It was pretty outstanding. Then we also hooked on the flat line. We hooked a big cuda. That was cool. Even got the jump out of the water, I believe, on it. That was pretty awesome. And one that I've never seen before, but I'm sure people have, but I've never seen it, is on the flat line, we had a yellowtail about 24 inches eat a complete ballyhoo and stinger rig, everything. So hope you guys like what you're about to witness here. We kicked butt. We got some awesome other films coming up here soon. We had some pretty epic fishing days following that. So stay tuned, and I hope you really enjoy what you're about to see.
The yellowtails here in this spot. We're at about 50-55 feet of water. We got the chum block going, as you can see it back there, letting it dissolve. We got 2 rods in. Both rods are set up with a freeliner rig. We use a small hook on monofilament, about 15-pound test. As you can see, we put a little silver side on this.
I got live shrimp on mine.
Or a live shrimp.
That's shrimp.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with live shrimp now too.
Shrimp.
Put a little silver side like this. Bring him in. Poke through his little head and just let him swim back there like that. Let it go back, like I said, another 150-200 yards. And then yellowtail on the boat. Let's see what it does.
Woohoo! Let's see. Come on, give me another present. Oh, another yellowtail. Another yellowtail. Heck yeah. Woohoo! Big flags, man, big flags. Can't pass up them big flags. Woo. Right now, live shrimp is the ticket, guys. Woo. Here it is, another flag. Oh, yes. Yellowtail, yes sir. Yellowtail. Yellowtail, yellowtail. Woo. Yellowtail, yellowtail. Oh yeah. Woo! Happy Father's Day. For those who are watching I mean, obviously that's why they call them yellowtail. But look how beautiful that is. I mean, just gorgeous white meat. I mean, it's a great Father's Day present, I can tell you that. Another one. Woo, look at that rod. Oh, shark behind you? Yes. Woo!
He's not getting my yellowtail, that's for sure. You are, man.
Yes, sir.
Woo! Yellowtail on deck. Oh, yes. Stella is putting in work today. Stella is putting in work today, guys.
There you go.
Stella on that toadfish rod is putting in work because the flaggies are coming up and they're looking yellow. Woo! Oh.
Hold on, not me. Happy Father's Day!
Father's Day to everybody. We need a gas?
I don't think so.
What is it? What do we got? What do we got?
What a big yellowtail!
No way!
Bro,
Look at the size
a
of that
whole yellowtail!
No way!
Bro, look at the size of that thing!
What the fuck, dude?
Bro! Epic! Dude, guys, this was on a top line stinger rig. You'll never get this. La 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 la. What? Yeah, looks a little yellow in there. We're about to get a little brine going here in a second.
Woo! Oh, he's down there. I see the shine.
Dude, I only have 15-pound test, so.
Take it easy, go real slow. Fight him little bit by little bit. I got the gap, right?
Woo! Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Woo! Oh my God, that is a fight. Right there with the sunset.
On 15-pound test.
15-pound test.
I'll slam him.
Here he comes.
We're gonna fucking hit this guy. As soon as we get close enough to the door.
Oh, it's a big mackerel.
Oh my God, it's a huge mackerel. Huge mackerel. That's a really big mackerel.
Hold on. I'll just.
Yes!
15-pound test!
Huge mackerel, bro!
Heck yes!
Huge
Let's
mackerel!
get it!
I took 2 swings and I missed. But that was
Yes! Yes!
that mackerel, bro.
Look at that!
Mackerel right
Hold
there,
on.
guys.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Man,
Big
guys,
Big boy.
what a beautiful Father's Day with a beautiful sunset. Man, this is awesome. 15-pound test on a live shrimp. Boom, and a cooler that's looking yellow.
And the fish gods have answered Kevin's prayer. This one's good.
This one's good.
Yeah, it's definitely a keeper.
This one's good.
Oh yeah.
This one is good. Woo. Awesome.
Guys, I don't know about you, but this looks real good.
Does he feel on or? Oh yeah!
Oh, he's on!
He's on!
He's on!
Oh shit. Guys, this is...
Oh, there he is!
Oh! What is it, a bill?
No, I don't know, but it was big.
Oh my God. Bro, I don't know what's on here, but it's definitely big.
It could be a cooter or a wahoo or a. I see stripes like a wahoo. It's a wahoo?
No way.
I don't know. Hold on. I don't want to get too excited. Hold on. Oh, big cooter.
Big Kuda.
Woo! I don't want a cuda, I want a kingfish.
Oh.
Short bait. Woo-ha-ha.
Woo! He's a big boy.
God.
He's a big boy. That's... Oh, miss. Swing and a miss.
Again.
Swing and a miss. Swing and a miss.
Round 2, fight.
Oh, big monster Kuda.
Yes.
Monster Kuda.
Dude.
Oh man, that was...
Look at the size of that cooter.
Yeah.
He's a big guy. He be work out.
That was...
Monster Gouda.
Hell yeah, dude. Hey, what do we got?
Something nice.
Oh, another big yellowtail.
Is it?
Big flag, bro. Big flag.
Woo! Big yellowtail.
Woo!
Awesome.
Heck yes.
Awesome.
Let's see what we got, guys. I think it's another Spanish.
No way.
Yep.
Woo! Oh my God.
We might need to gaff this little guy. Oh, there's another one down there with him.
Woo! Woo-hoo!
There he is. There he is.
Right there. Oh yeah! Oh yes!
You're mine, right?
I don't know, but I'm really excited. Come on, baby, come on.
He's down there. He's down
Big
there.
whatever it is. Mutton! What's up, what's up, what's going on, guys? Okay, so as you guys have witnessed already, we slayed them last night. I'm talking about live shrimp. As soon as that thing would even hit the water, get remotely close to the bottom, bam, tight line. We were kicking butt. So right now we got 2 Spanish mackerels. What we're doing at the moment is we are going to fillet them, and we are going to bring you guys some fish dip. We're going to smoke it in the smoker for about 5 hours. Then we're going to mix it up in a blender and bring you guys some fish dip. Later on we'll bring out all the yellowtail. We'll lay all the yellowtail out so you guys can see how many yellowtail we caught, because we really did smash. We had 4 dozen shrimp, and I don't know, we probably hooked about 50 different yellowtail. Whether they were all legal, we let the shorties go, but we literally hooked up probably 40 to 50 times. It was pretty epic. So let's go ahead and get this started. And it's done.
Everybody, so we are going to get this mackerel, bam, and we're gonna put him in here, bam. This is a brown sugar, white sugar, and sea salt brine. It's a dry brine. The intent of this is to withdraw the moisture that's inside of this mackerel so that it can smoke and become flaky, so that when we do our fish dip tomorrow, it's actually gonna be quite delicious. So we're gonna put this in this brine that we've created, a dry brine, and we're gonna let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. Tomorrow morning, when we go back to the refrigerator and pull these mackerels out of this brine, it should be filled with liquid, which means that the salt did its job. What's up, everybody? So it's the next day. Our mackerel has been sitting in the brine all night, so we actually gave it about 12 hours, and I don't know if you can tell, but the salt really worked. It really dried out the fish and gave it a nice little glaze from the brown sugar. So we have the smoker on our outdoor kitchen. We got it preheated to 250. It's actually getting there now, so we have it set at 250, and we're waiting for it to get to 250, and then we're gonna go ahead and go with mesquite barbecue smoking chips, which is what we're using for our smoker wood chips. Then we're gonna put these in there. We're gonna wait about 2 hours, and then we're gonna have nice, tender, flaky mackerel to put into our fish dip. Can't wait.
Alright, so we just pulled the mackerel out of the smoker, and this is kind of what it looks like. It actually resembles like a beef jerky almost. Tastes outstanding. So now our next step, is to go ahead and remove that skin. Move that skin off of there. Take all that skin off. Even that blood vein there, you want to take that out. It just literally falls right off of it. So do that. And this right here. Take that off. Clean. So the piece right here. Alright. Put it there. And then, boom, grab another one and repeat. So this is one of them. Right now, we have my wife over here. She is making what we're gonna blend it all in: sour cream, some red onions, green peppers, lemon sauce, some Old Bay seasoning, some Tabasco. She's gonna mix all that up, and then when I'm done with this, all of this fish is gonna go in that blender. It's gonna whip it up into a paste or a dip, and then that'll be the fish dip. So we'll kind of take you step by step. We don't want to bore you and just keep doing it, but that's basically the gist of what we're doing at the moment. So we'll keep you in touch, and let's see if we can make this taste good. All right, guys, so what we're doing now is we're getting the pieces that we took the skin off, and now what we're doing is we're gonna flake them out. You gotta do it with your hand so it stays in chunks. So you flake it out like this. You know, you guys can actually do it in whatever size chunks you would like. I mean, I like them a little thinner, so when you put it on a cracker, it's not just a giant chunk of fish. All right. The time is arrived. Let's give it a good old-fashioned big old scoop of it. Oh man. Holy moly. Well, we're gonna be doing a whole lot more smoking, I tell you that. We're gonna have them wood chips on order. Man, this is really, really good. Holy smokes! I topped it off with some dill weed on top of it. Holy smokes, guys! Man, we are going to bring you a ton more. So this week we're actually heading back to the farm now to kick butt and keep it going. We have another toy on its way, so that'll be cool to bring for you guys to see. So thank you again, and as usual, stay super extreme, and see you out there next time.